Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn about HTML tables. So we have our index.html page. I have live server running. We'll just set up the page. I'll rename the title to tables. So yeah, tables. So then the basic table structure is we use the table tag. The table element is used to create a table. The contents of table are written out row by row. So then we use the tr tag. You indicate the start of each row using the opening tr tag. The tr stands for table row. It is followed by one or more td elements, one for each cell in that row. At the end of the tag you use this tr tag, but before that tr a slash. So now we'll have td 15. Let's have another 15, and instead of the last 15 we'll have 30. So see, it's gonna come out like specifically like a row. So you can have table headings. So let's just create another table. Then tr, then we can give th, the table heading. Let's just leave one blank. So then scope is to tell it is going to come in a column. So col means in a column. We'll tell Saturday, and we'll copy another one to Sunday. So Saturday, Sunday. So we won't give any tds like that. We'll give another tr. Next table row, th scope is equal to row. So now we'll give it as tickets sold. So now we gave that extra th here to give that gap so this can come. And then we'll give td 120 and another td 135. So Saturday 120 and Sunday 135, like that. Another tr. In that th, again scope equal to row. Total sales. So total sales, we're going to give a td $600. So $600 and another td $675. So like Saturday, Sunday, like that. Then you can like spanning columns in another table. Let's do that. Table tr, then we'll give one blank th and continue. 9 a.m. we'll have 10 a.m. 11 a.m. 12 p.m. 10 a.m. 11 a.m. 12 p.m. Yeah, so we have 9, 10, 11. We'll just give a break tag just to give a line gap. If you want to learn more about break tag, you please check out how to code HTML tutorial for beginners first #1 text from my channel. So then let's have another tr. th Monday. So we gave that extra th like that. So then td call span. So it's going to span for 2 columns. So let's say geography. So it's going to come for 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. Then TD maths, another TD art. So like that. So that maths is only going to come for 11 a.m. and art only for 12 p.m. But geography is coming for 9 a.m. and 10 a.m. And then we can have another TR, say Tuesday, TD excuse me, call span is 3, so it's going to come for 3 rows now. Gym and another TD home. So see, this is going to come for 3 rows, 9, 10, 11, 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. and home is only going to come for 12 p.m. So we can like practically do the same thing but for rows. So we'll have a TR, let's say TH, we'll give a blank, TH entertainment, we'll give a break here again just to get some spacing. Yeah, entertainment. Then let's say relaxing, just giving random names. Social, so entertainment, relaxing, social. Then TH 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. 6 to 7 p.m. TD, this time it's of call span, row span 2. So movie, you can't see much difference right now but you'll see it in a second. TD comedy, and another TD is news, and then another TH, now instead of 6 p.m. to 7 p.m., 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So now see, this movie is gonna come for 2 rows. So then TD sport and TD current affairs. So movie is not letting other TDs let it take its place. Yeah, so then now there can be long tables. So let's say we have a table here. So now usually we'll start with a TR, but this time we are going to use a T head. So then here we are going to use TR. Let's say TH date, another TH income, another TH expenditure. So date, income, expenditure. So now the head part of the table is over. So this is the head. Then there's another tag, T body. So then we'll have a TR. Then TH 1st January. TD 250. Another is expenditure is gonna be 36. So yeah, we'll just copy this 1st January and paste it below and change it to 2nd January 285 and 48. Yeah, so this is the body part, and then the T foot, the ending part. So we can say T foot TR. So we're going to TD, let's just give a blank to get the spacing here, and then a TD. So we're going to use this to get the total. So 535 is going to be this. So here instead of TD, let's just change it to TH, and total income and expenditure. So see, it's just gonna give it a gap automatically. So yeah, then another TD. So we just have to add this again. So it's going to be 84. Yeah, 84. Yeah, so total income is going to be 535 and total expenditure is going to be 84. Yeah, so this is it, guys. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and share this video. Turn on the notifications. Bye guys.